Hello guys, this is Anwar from AI Labs and this is the video presentation of AI4ML Machine Learning and Analytics Service. Today we're going to be working with the credit history data and in order to predict credit scoring. First of all, let's preview our table. Here how our table looks like. So we have the ID of a person, and serious delinquency means that the person passed serious delinquency in less than 2 years. And we have age of a person, we have the number of dependencies that the person have. It may be a wife, children, and all the other people that this person is responsible for. Number of real estate loans and lines, and so on. Now let's try to analyze our table. So we have already preloaded it here in our Data Explorer analyzation board. And let's try to draw some bar chart and take as age as a dimension and our target column as a measure. For aggregation, we're going to be taking the average and see how those two columns correlate. So blue means that the person didn't experience delinquency in 2 years, and 1 means that the person did. Now let's take a closer look. Here we can see that 23 and 24 years old people are more likely to don't pay credit in time, with about 13 and with about 13% probability. And you can see that as the person's age is growing, its delinquency percentage is decreasing. Okay, let's try to train our machine learning model that can predict our target column. So we want to give the system the person information, and on the output take the probabilities that this person will be a good creditor or bad creditor, and pay credit in time. Let's run our training. Right now it is processing the input data, and soon it's going to be starting training our model. Here we go, it started training. So it's already finished training our model. It took 70,000 instances as a training set and 30,000 instances as a test set, and training set gives us 99% accuracy, which is pretty normal, and test accuracy is 93%, which is pretty high. I finished saving model, and now let's try to run our trained model for some data we're going to have in future. Let's say we have a person with age 25 and monthly income, let's say $4,000, number of dependents, so maybe 4, and let's run our model. Let's see what it's going to give us. So it says that this person is gonna is not will not pay the credit in time with a very high probability, and it gives us 1. So that's it for today, and hopefully we're going to be making more presentation videos on AI4ML for some more new use cases in different areas, and see you next time. Bye bye.